Hey guys, I'm back with Vanilla Overhaul, and my game is lagging. Load. And, I found out what the alternative of a hoe is. And, I just forgot what I was gonna make, but I was going to make something. Oh yeah, beehive. I'm gonna see if that's like craftable. Beehive. You can't make it. Queen bee, what? Is there like an inventory? Whatever. But, at Tinker's Construct. Okay, I'm pretty sure I need the part builder. Oh, stencil table. Blank pattern. Well, I guess I'm gonna need some wood. No, I don't like pop-ups. Multiply my minion. Yeah, it worked. So I'm gonna make 2 stencils. Boop, boop, boop. This is hardcore, bro. Yes. Okay. I didn't want 2. That sucks. So I have 2 stencil tables. I might as well make 2 of everything. Part builder. Okay, and then tool station. Oh, that's pretty easy. I'm gonna need more wood. Come on, build, my sister. Lag. Birdie, where are you? I gotta go slow. Ooh, I know exactly how to tell if it's night. And it's night. Am I high? Oh, I never knew I was on grassland. Can I do something? No, I can't, something. Oh, I can draw? That's so sick. Did it. Lag. Why does it have to be so laggy, my friend? Yeah. Part builder, tool station. Build. Yes. This is like a hardcore game. It's crazy hardcore. Yay. And then I make the junk. Oh, I forgot I have to make 2. Yeah. Forgot about that. Make the crafting table of unicorn. So I have 2 crafting tables, 2 blocks of wood. I'm gonna need to make more of those. Come on, birds. Don't be a jerk. It's Christmas. Wow. Is this the right combination? Yes. Okay, 1, 2. Perfect. Now I can make everything I need. Where's the other thing? There it is. Now I have 2 of everything, and I can build. Okay, I'll put it right here. So, stencils, I'm pretty sure is at the beginning. Then it goes part builder and tool station. So, tool station. Oh no, part builder is probably before that. I don't like the sound of that. What's next to me? Oh, nothing. Oh, it must be that. Thank you, Birdie. But, no. What? Oh, I have to make stencil things. Blank pattern. I never knew that. Crashes. But I first have to know what the heck I'm building. So I'm pretty sure it's this. So I need blah blah blah. I need 3 things. Water! No. I don't think I'm ready for battling yet. Because I'll just die. So yeah, it's perfect. Break faster. Seaweed. Yes. And I'm not hungry. Come on, Minecraft music, just stop! Urgh. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh, I've been alive for 2 days! And I've been awake for a super long time. No, you guys don't get to bite my face. No. Lag. Make wood. Aw, I don't have enough stick stuff. Okay, try to do non-lags things. Where are more stick things? Stick things? Where are you? I'm hunting you down. I guess I'll have to make my own sticks. Sapling. Sap. Boop. Boop. Yeah, no things in sight. Yeah. Whoa, this place is starting to look really fancy. Ooh, zucchini. Bird, stop chirping. Dude, bro, just stop. It's annoying. Okay, now, here I go, boop. Bleh. I'm pretty sure that's perfect amount. Yes! Of all the stencils I need, or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna need a weird thing, shovel, and stick. Okay, next pattern. Okay, shovel, weird thing. I have to find out which stick it was. Stick. Okay, I have to find stick. Too thick. Too skinny. I don't think there is a stick. I made this for nothing. Come on, axe head, and make it out of cobblestone. Yes. And then yes. And then do I just use a stick? River cane. Is it gonna work? What? Oh, handle. Now I get it. Okay, so I have to turn this into a handle. Rod. Blade. Knife blade. Fletching. rod, blade, knife. I feel like I've seen these. Tough rod. Okay. So, is there like, what's a handle? Oh, a tool rod? That's what it's asking for? I think. Let me try. So, made something. Oh, guess I have two. Put my extras in here. So boop, 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 boop. Now let's make the legendary thing. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. Will it work? Yay! It's stone bound. Now I can grow zucchini. But where's my tea? I don't want zucchini. I want something else other than lag. Okay. Gimme seed. Shade. Give me shade. 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 Barley. I don't like barley. Cucumber. No, I don't like cucumber. I want something that tastes good. Oh, strawberries. What else? Tomato. I might just do tomato. Carrot. No. No. I hate that thing. What else? Artichoke. What does it? Let me check. Okay. Artichoke. What? Morsel. Seed. Ender seed, eye seed, ron seed, white flower, white gray, blueberry. Ooh, corn. Morsel. I don't want morsel. Morsel. I actually, is there like tofu? Oh, soybean. Is there soybean here? Yeah. That's exactly what I want. Soybean. Give me soybean. Eggplant, no. I just want soybean. So I can make soy milk. Okay. Melon, no. Bean, zucchini, cucumber, artichoke. Okay, just give me the soy. Come on. Cantaloupe. That sounds pretty good. No. Come on. Soybean. I want to be a vegetarian. Yeah. How hard is it to get a soybean in this world? Yeah. I shouldn't have to search that far. that a soybean? Cauliflower. Sounds pretty good. Usage. You can make seed soup. Cranberry, beet, winter squash, raspberry. What's this? I don't want grapes. Well, actually, they sound really good, but I want my soybeans. Come on. Chili. I'm gonna soon have to put these in my chest. I can grow almost every crop except for my soybean crop. Raspberry. Scallion? What's scallion? Yeah. Weird. Oh, where does it grow best? Forest, plains. Where do I live? Grassland. That sucks. Is this grassland or plains? Right over here. Beach? No. Guess not. Can't grow my soybeans. I guess I'll find forest plains, forest plains, forest plains, I guess I'm gonna count this as plains because it's grassy. See ya, seeds that I don't need. Oh, I think there's too many. There can't be. Okay, good. Creepy music. Is there a scary Perry outside? Okay, I'm gonna need some. Oh God. What the? Oh, there's so many. What the? It's a pterodactyl. Oh no, it's a bird. I thought that was a pterodactyl. Oh, I have mind fatigue. Need to eat carrot. What else? Crap, I'm low on food. I guess I'm gonna starve to death. Asparagus? No. I don't want asparagus. Turnip? I need some food. What the? Sound like a unicorn. Ooh, a papaya. Give me a papaya. Wait. I like papayas. I guess I have a papaya tree. Stop making weird noises, you bird. What the? Okay. Okra. Rutabaga. Can you give me a soybean? Ooh, coffee. I'll grow that too. Beet. Let me see the use. Can I make coffee? Ooh. I can make a cup of coffee. It's a morsel. That's pretty cool. I might grow some coffee. My first priority is soy. I'm gonna have to get rid of you Venus flytraps soon. Soybean? No! Cabbage! What the heck? I'm gonna have to throw these in the water soon. I'm getting too many. Peas. Good. Yeah, whatever. I don't care about this.
Give me my peas.
A soybean. I think this is gonna be the end of my episode. Searching for soy.